Hey guys, it's Brandy Chanell and welcome to my channel. Here on this channel we do, as today, wig reviews, beauty reviews, makeup reviews, natural hair, a little bit of everything over here on this channel. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So for the wig review, this is the Bobbi Boss, part of the Yara family collection, and this unit is called MLF126 Lyna. I have her in a color 1B. It comes in 1,000 other colors. Let's see if I can get to zoom in. You guys can see that ring light might be annoying. Sorry guys. Okay, this is the style on the stock card. This is how she looks on your girl. And I do like the parting. Let me get closer so you guys can see it on my hairline. I just kind of tried to slick my edges down. I don't anticipate wearing the unit back at all. I'll probably do like something like this, like a behind the ear look. But that's about it. A majority of the time that I wear this unit, I'll probably wear it in the style that it is. It's not too shiny. It's synthetic. I purchased my unit on Amazon because I wanted to get here quickly. And all the other sites where I usually go, like Pintrest and Sam's Beauty and Wig Types, all those were sold out of the 1B. They had all the kind of funky colors that, you know, I'm not really into. But so I had to pay a little more on Amazon. I will leave a link to this unit on Amazon so that you guys can check it out there. But I would suggest going to Pintrest or Sam's Beauty once the 1B comes back in stock. Let me show you guys the back of the unit. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it's like very cute, stylish bob. Yes, honey. It's so cute. It has a standard. I'll show you here the construction of the unit. Okay, this is a hairline. I have not cut the lace off. Oh, can you guys see that? This is the hairline. Has two combs here and a comb in the back. And it has a standard wig cap construction with the wefts in the back. But it's about 5 inches lengthwise. I'm going to do my thing that I usually do, put a little powder on top, and then I will put a little bit in the part. But as you can see, that is what the part looks like. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and I shall return. Once you cut off the lace, this is typical of all lace wigs that come with the extra lace in the front. After you cut the lace in the front, when you do comb it out, you are going to see shedding. But after I combed out the shed hairs that were kind of around the perimeter, I haven't had or seen any shedding in the last little bit. I have a lot of hair, so I feel that it is big head, quote unquote big head or thick hair friendly. I have my hair twisted down under here, so I would highly recommend you doing a flat style under here, because usually I do just braids, but you may want to flat twist it if you can get it very low. But like, as you can tell, I have the flat twist kind of bunched up back here, and I don't think it has a bump or anything. It kind of elevates the back, if anything. It's literally a shake and go wig. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed Lyna. Alright, well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new. Don't forget to thumbs up and hit that notification button so you don't miss any new videos. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye! Let's connect on all my socials. I'll leave the links in the description box.